Right, afternoon, miss. Since there's no more picture and CPK here. Okay, so I will evaluate from the homework. So there are 9 sets of homework for this week. For all, right? So in this week, how many sets will you deliver? For the students.
You mean the homework?
Yes, for 9 sets of the homework. Or directly all?
No. Like Sanskrit, we have 9.
Yes.
So it will be because we have 3 days for Sanskrit. So every
Sanskrit, Monday until Wednesday.
Monday and Wednesday. So they have 3 per day. 3
sets of homework. Oh, so 9 divided by 3, yeah?
Yes, because 3
Okay,
days.
so I will evaluate from 30. So the first will be 30 until
4th October. Yeah.
Okay. Right, but to be honest, I say that your way with the other teachers' way, same in kindergarten and also, they combine directly from 30 until 29 November. Like that. So,
30 September, you mean? Until
Yeah.
29 November.
yes. So, in K2, you don't make like that. You divide.
Divide.
3.
Actually, special for Sanskrit only, but for math,
Yes, for Sanskrit also. Didn't
yeah.
you get?
Oh no, we divided.
Oh.
If you see our lesson plan, we divided the sets not.
In primary also they divided, but just now the teacher said that they combine directly from 30 until 29. When I asked, we have different way, but we still follow the lesson plan is okay. So for 30 September, this is about all about Sanskrit, yeah?
Yes.
First, yeah. Okay, so here you ask them to fill in the box. Can you please explain about this, miss?
Yes. Just put this.
Okay.
Well, so usually because we didn't do the book choice, so we call the students one by one to answer that one. So first we introduce them. I mean that sounds higher, and what's another sounds there?
What does it mean? Age, you ask them to find
No.
out.
So each box we can fill one letter. So number 2, right, is white.
Which one?
The blue one, the big
Yes.
one, that is white. So they will put one letter, one box W, white. So WID.
But I don't get it.
The students will fill the answer. They will-
This is picture, right? There are some pictures here and there.
There are 4 pictures, right?
Yes.
There are 4 boxes, right?
Yes.
So 1 picture for 1 box.
So from age, what is that?
No, this is not puzzles.
So
This is not puzzle. So number 2, that is white.
white.
Okay,
This one.
so they will fill in number 2, box number 2.
This one.
No, under H. Yes,
This
from
one.
WIDE.
Oh.
Yes. Number 3, that is right.
Oh, okay.
R-I-D.
Oh, I see, like that. Okay, then I know it. Well, how many students will you ask to go in from? Because it's impossible all of them, right? Because you still need to catch up some of the homework also.
Depends on the type of the questions. If
Have
like
you made the time? I mean, alright, for the Sanskrit, maybe 15 minutes like that, no?
no, because we have the time, right? Like from 7:45 until 9:30. That is Sanskrit. So it is enough for us to discuss all.
Okay. So is it still like the second one also? Like previous, like the first one? Same?
Yes.
I see. Okay. Mostly like that, yeah. Okay. Now, how about the writing? Because this will you just review, right? And then I see here that there 5 sentences. So you review all.
There is writing, right? In
Yes.
writing, we make it into readings.
Reading.
Yes.
Oh, so you don't practice anymore. I mean, the students don't practice anymore. to
We
write.
have dictation session after that.
Oh, and then you read together first.
Yes, all the writing parts will be made as a reading section. Because is it impossible? That's not possible for us to write after one by one to write, right? It's
Yeah.
really wasting time.
That's right.
Mm.
This is review time, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how about this part?
Now that one, of course, we ask them to read, and then somehow the students cannot reach the board, right, miss? So we still ask them to do it by using this tool, so they can read and they will match to the pictures.
Tool.
The stools,
Oh,
that they can get on the stool
I see.
to make them higher, so they can reach the words they match with.
I see. Okay. There are 9 here.
Yes.
So all writing sections will be reading.
Yeah, we'll make it to reading section.
How about seri baca tulis, Miss? This one.
Since I baca tulis is not, I mean, yeah, we haven't done it yet actually in the class, but the application will be the same like what we did in the class. Of course, we will read the question together, and if that kinds of questions, we will ask the students to answer in front of the class.
One by one.
Sure.
Or we ask them to raise up their hand if they want, no?
If we ask them to raise up, of course, everyone wants to get, they will raise their hands, all of them.
Yeah.
But we make it
Take
turn.
Oh, but this one, seri baca tulis, is it same like writing?
Yeah,
You change it to
we will make it into reading.
reading
form.
again. Oh, I see. How about this?
That is the,
Still sounds great.
yep, that is the
Friday, yeah.
yeah, that is actually their reading homework, right? Is yeah, of course they want reading, right? We will read, but for the they just read because they have their own writing section, so that is the only reading. They just read.
Just read,
They
yeah.
just read.
Read together in this one.
Usually we make like they read together first. They read together first. After that, we will ask them one by one. And we random the words because somehow they just copy,
Oh.
to make sure that they understand or not. We need to random the words,
Yeah.
to randomize the words.
Like shuffle, yeah.
Yes,
This is not only a word, yeah.
sentences too.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, sentences too. We got 15 words. That is, I think, not the new
10.
ones.
10.
Because in our new...
I took from G-Drive as well.
Oh, sorry, Miss. That is previous... Oh, yeah. I thought the question
From
for
30.
final. Yes. 10 sentences, 10 words.
Right. I mean, like, just now the teacher also for kindergarten, I have asked, and then she said that there are 4 parts, and then they just choose 3 parts, like reading, coloring part, matching. He said with K2, they want K1.
Sanskrit,
Yeah.
coloring,
Yeah, coloring part, he said. No.
different things.
There is no
K2 is not.
K2, yeah. There's no more coloring, yeah. So how many parts will you review for Sanskrit? All? All in the homework? All, yeah.
Because only 3 sets, right, for day
Yeah.
one. With 7:45 to 9:30.
Enough, yeah.
Mm.
It's enough, yeah.
writing.
Yeah.
Saya baca tulis right. And
2 days.
Thursday Friday saya baca tulis. And then we have ISP Bahasa and ISP Science.
SP Bahasa.
Yeah.
Still, yeah.
Uh-huh.
And science. What will
There
they
is
do?
reviewing the questions.
About?
Many things like from what do you want to ask me first?
Okay. You see here first. But mostly same, yes. I mean the pattern, like
That one is
writing section, then it will be changed to dictation section, and then like matching the words to the picture.
Yes.
Yes, right. Mostly same, yeah. Okay. Okay, so so there is no more writing part anymore. There's no more, yeah, writing for this week, yeah.
for this right, have to make it into dictation.
Yeah, so it means there's no more for writing.
Writing writing in K2 is dictations.
You dictate and then they write.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Oh, still there is writing. Okay. How about this one? No.
Yes, so they will see the picture. They will choose the right name of that picture and write the same like the first question that you asked me. So for example, there's board, right?
Yes.
There's a board and B-O-N over there. The old board.
Okay.
Just one off.
So just make in one column one word.
Yeah,
No,
one
one
letter.
letter.
Yes.
Like that. So how this one about seri baca tulis? Is there any students that cannot find out from the box for the answer?
Since actually it was homework, right? I mean, we.
But maybe some of the answer will be wrong. I think, right?
Oh, you mean because they didn't be by themselves, right? They were being guided by their parents or teachers.
Yeah, but they need to know it, right? Even though they must be helped by other.
But if you said mostly the answers are wrong, no, mostly the answers are correct because they are being guided by their parents.
So how if still wrong and then they when you dictate, right, and then they couldn't answer, so how?
This one we do not dictate this, but this one we will like call them one by one, right? Call them one by one, and we get them to read. They will choose like that, and they will write down the answers.
So you just provide, you just show
Sure.
the answer and then the question.
The questions
down below. And then they write.
Yes, on the touchboard.
So for dictation section, how many minutes do you use?
Around 30 to 40 minutes.
30 to 40 minutes. So you will dictate all the sentences here?
No,
How many sentences will you
4 or
choose?
5.
4 or 5. In 40 minutes?
Yes,
Wow.
30 to 40 and this, because they have to write the day and the date first.
Yeah.
That's right. They have to write the instructions.
Okay, let's make it around 5 minutes to write
No.
the day. That's fine now.
Time is they are not the same right means.
But
Yeah.
you have partner and then you and your partner will guide to write down the date, right? To see.
To see, right? But again, they write by themselves.
It's too long.
Yeah, not we like for them, but they write by themselves. Right?
So 10 minutes only to write down the date.
Let's say the time is the longest time for them
The
to write down the
longest.
date.
So you will spend around 30 to 40 only to make 4
4 or 5 sentences.
4 or 5 sentences. Maybe they need to think first, right? What my teacher says.
Yes, and even we are doing the class, the students are more than us. So like maybe, yeah, each table there must be one student they cannot, so we need to sit per table, because let's say like one table there are 3 students, 2 are able, and we don't allow the 2 students to give the books to that one, right? So they will close the book and the one will just wait for us, wait for our coming one to get him
To help them.
yes.
But you see, there is no special, right?
Sorry?
There is no special needs, right? During the class.
No. Indonesia is better sih.
Huh?
Dikte bahasa is better than
English.
invitation.
So, have they? I mean, when you ask them to read a word or maybe a sentence in English, have they able to pronounce it well? Have they been able to pronounce it well? I mean, go, nose, like that.
Most of them can, but still there are some tweaks inside.
But I didn't see here. You put ESP Science and Bahasa. Which one? In the homework.
No,
This
in
is-
LPs. In LPs. ISP there's no homework.
Okay. But you still deliver it on Friday, Thursday and Friday.
For
You
ISP.
still, yeah, ESP Bahasa and Science.
Yes, of course.
Oh.
But it will be about checkpoint questions.
I mean, you still give checkpoint question to students.
Sure. Yeah. In our LP, we still have it. Because the checkpoint questions will be the speaking tests. So, like little step, we still have the checkpoint questions. Table science, we have the checkpoint questions.
Why was it different with K1 teacher? Yeah. So see, there is no more checkpoint question. Is it different with teacher? I don't think so, right? Maybe checkpoint question as well.
No idea why we have this.
I'm not sure. Goodness.
Maybe can you check our LP over there?
Yes, I'm checking now. Oh, I haven't got. There is no more. There's no here for this week. Can you please send me this? There is no here.
This is second, right?
Yeah.
I mean second to 6, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Do we have it?
Yeah.
Have it.
Can you open back anyway? Okay, so here I want to ask about the checkpoint question. This is about plan, yeah. Plan and their uses. Yes, science checkpoint question. Can you explain about the plans and their uses?
You asked me the question or how?
For that?
You asked me the question or how?
Yes. Plan. What is plan and then the uses of the plan, like that.
Okay, so plant is like the tree of flowers that grow in the soil, and they got some, and plants have some parts. I mean, plants have some parts from from the
What are
roots,
the roots?
from the stem, from the flowers, from the fruits, from the trunk. Root, stem, trunk, fruit, flower.
How about the weather? Can you explain about
Whether
weather?
there is the sky condition that can change at any time. Yes, the weather.
Wait, please. Okay, I still have that. Can you explain about tema lingkunganku, tema kebutuhanku, like this? So what are you doing with the topic?
What lessons?
ASP Bahasa. Seperti ASP Bahasa.
What tema?
Yeah.
Bahasa.
Like this.
What tema first?
Yeah, tema lingkunganku. What is it about?
Tema lingkunganku di ASP Bahasa bisa.
Yeah, ASP Bahasa.
Tema lingkunganku, that is talking about like tema lingkungan. That is, I think, Miss ASP Bahasa Indonesia.
Iya.
Expert di bahasa ya.
Bahasa ya.
Di topik itu ada cerita tentang anak-anak yang bermain di jalan raya yang ditabrak oleh sepeda motor. Jadi kita berbicara tentang lingkungan itu kan, ada lingkungan keluarga, ya di situ ya di cerita itu ada lingkungan keluarga juga, ada juga lingkungan sekitar. Amin, salah satu di bukunya itu ada menceritakan tentang yang dia itu ditabrak karena dia bermain di jalan raya. Jadi situ kita jelaskan bahwasanya kalau seperti kita mau bermain itu tidak boleh bermain di tempat umum, harus di taman. Seperti itu juga ada lingkungan keluarga. Situ ada gambar seperti mereka menonton TV, menceritakan keluarga.
Bagaimana tentang tema kebutuhanku?
Kebutuhan situ kalau di ASP berbicara tentang ada gambar-gambar pakaian, karena di situ kalau nggak salah ya Miss, ada anak-anak disuruh untuk melingkari mana termasuk pakaian, karena kan kebutuhan manusia itu Miss, ada yang namanya tempat makanan, minuman, pakaian, tempat tinggal. Nah di situ di buku itu diceritakan seperti itu kebutuhan itu.
Tapi itu seperti sama dengan review ASP Science.
Iya, ASP Sains sama ASP Bahasa itu memiliki topik yang sama.
So what makes them different?
Mungkin yang membedakan dari segi apa ya?
Isinya pasti beda kan? The content will be same, right?
Isinya beda, tapi di ASP Sains itu temanya apa? Ada juga
Sama juga, tema lingkungan, kebutuhan binatang dan tanaman. Sama dengan topik di ASP bahasa empat-empatnya?
Kalau misalnya sama saya isinya apa ya kurang lebih seperti itu Miss. Mungkin misalnya saya dari segi checkpoint questionnya aja Miss. Kalau isi kurang lebih pasti sama seperti itu sih. Yang namanya dibuang itu sih Miss. Mirip-mirip lah Miss.
Kebetulan tidak bisa saya buka. Coba saya buka dari HP.
Bisa dibuka ya, saya coba ngomong ya.
Iya.
Binatang kalau yang di ASP Science.
Oh ini oke dapat.
ya.
Oke. Apa saja kegiatan yang biasa kamu lakukan dengan orang tua di rumah? Itu berarti Miss menanyakan ke murid gitu ya?
Iya benar.
Tentang apa Miss? Kegiatan mereka di rumah atau
Iya bersama orang tua.
bersama orang
Kan
tua?
sebenarnya kalau jawabannya kan
Soalnya ini sama dia, ASP saya dengan bahasa pertanyaannya kok sama, temanya juga sama gitu. Jadi apa bedanya gitu Miss? Itu baru suka.
itu ASP apa Miss buka?
Saya buka ASP Science paling bawah, tapi dia mencakup bahasa juga nih, hanya dua-duanya langsung ASP Science dan bahasa.
Itu mungkin yang Miss buka adalah rangkuman untuk ujian speaking kali ya Miss.
Yang paling bawah, review CPK komunikasi bahasa.
Oke, isinya adalah
ASP Science dan ASP bahasa. Sebenarnya yang membuatnya beda apa gitu? Saya ingin tahu saja gitu. Soalnya kan temanya sama, isinya pun sama. Jadi bedanya apa ASP Science dengan bahasa ini begitu, Miss?
itu kenapa dibuat sama menurut saya karena itu temanya sama ya, tapi misalnya kalau nggak lihat buku mungkin saya agak lupa lah Miss. Isinya kan banyak ya Miss ya. Pas kalau lihat Miss ya, maaf ya.
Masih terbaca ya, HP saya juga ini soalnya jatuh.
Iya Miss.
Sama deh.
Ini sepertinya dibeda, maksudnya ini kan dia ASP Sains dan ASP Bahasa, tapi mungkin pertanyaan untuk ASP Bahasa yang di atas, Sains di bawah, seperti itu Miss. Karena ini kan ada dia dua di sini, tapi dia beda-beda. Mungkin dia di sini dia khusus untuk bahasa.
Jadi yang pastinya yang atas.
Kalau yang tanaman kan saya di sini, kan tanaman saya di sini.
Berarti yang atas untuk bahasa ya.
Seperti itu.
Lebih baik dipisah aja nih, karena ini kan dia disamakan ASP Sains dan ASP Bahasa. Maksudnya saya ASP Bahasa dulu gitu kan, kemudian ASP Sains. Jadi kita tahu oh yang ini ASP Bahasa saya daripada digabung-gabung seperti ini gitu kan.
Oke.
Menurut saya seperti itu.
Jadi masing-masing.
Iya. Berarti pada intinya sebenarnya topiknya sama ya. Cuma
Iya.
mungkin pertanyaannya yang berbeda.
Saya rasa seperti itu sama-sama.
Gitu ya. Oke deh. So here the checkpoint questions for Little Steps and Rainbow Science. You ask the students to mention some characters. Is it?
Yes.
How's it like this?
That is the little step in it three.
Yeah.
What are we different? I think that's the topic. So we ask them some characters to describe a person because the character can come from the physical appearance, can be from our character itself, like thin, tall, big, bad, good, curly, straight, white, black. That is characters, right? So they just mention the characters from to describe a person.
Okay, next. How can you ask the students to classify which one herbivore and carnivore? Can you explain this?
Because in that topic we have wild animals, right? Yeah, wild animals. So at first we thought we explain them about wild animals. So to expand or to enlarge their knowledge, we put the topic about herbivore and carnivore. But of course, we have explained them about the definition of herbivore, which is the animals that eat plants, right? And carnivore, the animals that eat meats. And we have explained them which animals that is herbivore, classified to herbivore and carnivore. That is always you ask them. So, and right now, they almost get used to on it. So they know that herbivore is like goat, right?
You show the I mean the kinds of animal also.
The-
Or this is the horse, for example.
Yeah, we show them the pictures. So this animal is the herbivore, classified to herbivore. Of course, there's like one or two or three animals only, carnivore. But we don't explain them about the omnivore yet. It's only like because they need to know herbivore and carnivore first.
Yeah.
Omnivore not yet.
Oh, before much yeah.
That's
So
good
two.
for
I think so. Yeah, but that's good, miss. That's good already. You
There's a relation, right? I mean, we
Yeah.
relate it still to the wild animals
yes.
topic.
Yeah, that's already good, I think. And then you ask them what do they want to be when they grow up?
Yes.
So how is it like?
Yeah, they wanna be a football player.
So
wanna
they
be-
answer one by one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then you
Somehow.
ask the reason.
Yeah. Somehow, like the football player, because I love Ronaldo, they say,
Oh.
yeah,
Okay.
music.
Oh, they have answer like that, yes. I like Ronaldo.
Yeah. Some of them can answer that. Musician, because they love music.
Mm.
Yeah, maybe not really in a good grammatical, right? But at least they know how to answer it.
This good. Answer that. Okay, and then you ask them to mention here the next checkpoint. You ask them to mention some objects in the class.
Yes.
Okay, how many objects that you ask them?
As many as they can.
As many as they can. So far, how many they can answer?
Maybe if
Yeah,
like
fine.
top like fan like air conditioner, they mentioned dustbin.
Oh yeah.
They
Do you ask them to classify? Oh, which one made of wood? Which one made of?
yeah. After that,
After that.
after that,
Can they do that? Can they classify?
some is something.
Some of them.
Some just like
Decided.
No. I mean like as they like saying.
Oh.
It's not true, right?
Just answer. Just
Yes.
answer, at least I'm active. Like that. Okay. Okay, I think that's all, miss. It's enough for me already. I have asked so many things and then almost all you could answer. So I think you passed this